Okay, in this episode, I am going to show you how to create controller for the joint. I have created some controller. If you want to learn how to create this, I will give you a link on the description. So check the link. You will learn how to create this controller. Select the shoulder controller. Now first hide your polygon. Select the shoulder controller. Press V to snap it to the shoulder joint. Select the hip controller. Press V to snap it to your hip joint. Select these two. Modify freeze transformation. First select the hip controller. First select the shoulder controller. Shift select your shoulder bind joint or control select your shoulder bind joint from the outliner. Go to constraint. Click parent constraint. Do the same for the hip controller. Hip bind joint. Constraint. Parent constraint. Now select the hip controller. Control G to create a group. Hip controller group. Edit the pivot point. Press D or insert key and press V to snap it to the hip joint. Again press D. Select the hip shoulder controller. Control G to create a group and rename it as shoulder controller group. Again press D or insert key. Press V to snap it to the pivot point to the shoulder joint. Again press D. Now unhide your IK chain joint. If you follow my previous tutorial, you will understand. I have created this in the first episode. So select the IK hip joint. Shift select the hip controller group or control select the hip controller group. Constraint, click parent constraint. Do the same for the select IK shoulder joint, shoulder controller group, constraint, parent constraint. Now select the spine 1 controller. Move this one. Now go to display, click shape. Unhide your spine 1 controller shape node. Select the spine 1 controller shape. Control select the spine 2 joint, IK spine 2 joint, and type here parent -R -S. This will parent this to this joint. Go to vertex selection mode, select all the vertex, rotate this one just like this and scale slightly. Do the same for the other one. Transformation. Now unhide your polygon or spine. Select this one. Try to rotate and see what is happening. See, it is working. Now deselect all. Press with deselected all. Press Ctrl + G to create a null group and rename this null group as master group. Press Ctrl + D to duplicate it 4 times and rename this one as global group. This one joint group. This one IK group. This one mesh group. Now global group parent it to the master group. Global group. See the procedure. Now select the hip controller group, shoulder controller group, IK joint chain, shoulder bind and hip bind. Press Ctrl plus Z to create another group and rename this one as spine group. Hide your polygon or spine. Press D or insert key. Press V to snap the pivot point at your hip joint. Take another nerve circle. Scale the nerve circle. Press V to snap the nerve circle to the hip joint. Modify freeze transformation. Rename this one as master controller. CTRL. First select the master controller, shift select the spine group, go to constraint, click parent constraint. Now select the master controller, unhide your polygon or spine, try to move and see. It is working. Sorry, rename this one as controller group, controller. Select the master controller group and spine group, shift select the controller group, press P to parent it. Select the joint group and parent it to the joint group of global group. Select the IK handle and first curve and parent it to the IK group. Select the master group. Try to scale and see, it is distorting. Curve. Select first curve. See, here is inherit transform. Deselect this. Now select the master group. Try to scale and see, it is not, now this time it is not distorting. See, this is the end of the spine rigging. I have shown you in this process in a cube. You can create this kind of rig in any type of character. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.